An old man read the Quran and could not memorize it. His young son asked, "Father, why do you read it every day if you can't memorize it?" The father, pointing to a basket used for carrying coal, said, "Bring me some water from the sea in this basket, and then I will tell you." The son tried to bring water, but despite many attempts, he couldn't. He said to his father, "Father, I can't do it. I can't carry water in this." The father pointed to the basket and asked, "Did you notice something about it?" The son replied, "Yes, father, the basket is completely clean." The father said, "That's how it is, son. The Quran is like sea water. Even if I can't hold it in my heart, it cleans the heart stained with the dirt of the world." Your support is the way of our progression. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.